In this video, we're diving into an exciting challenge, making $100 in just 24 hours using AI tools. As technology continues to evolve, AI has become a game changer in various industries, offering innovative ways to generate income quickly and efficiently. We'll explore practical strategies and tools that can help you tap into this potential, whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out. Viewers can expect to learn about specific AI applications that streamline tasks, enhance productivity, and ultimately boost your earnings. The thrill of earning quick money is not just a dream, it's a reality that many are embracing today. So, get ready to unlock the secrets of leveraging AI for financial gain and join us on this exciting journey to make that $100 in a day. Step 1. To kick off your journey to making $100 in 24 hours, it's essential to identify the right AI tools that can help you achieve quick results. Popular options like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Canva stand out for their unique features. ChatGPT excels in generating engaging content, while Jasper is perfect for crafting marketing copy and blog posts efficiently. Canva, on the other hand, allows you to create stunning visuals in minutes, ideal for social media or promotional materials. Accessing these tools is straightforward. Simply visit their websites, sign up for an account, and explore their user-friendly interfaces. Many offer free trials or affordable plans, making them accessible for anyone eager to start earning. By leveraging these powerful AI tools, you'll be well on your way to completing quick tasks and boosting your income. Step 2. Choosing a profitable niche or service to offer is crucial for your success in making $100 in 24 hours. Start by exploring trending niches like social media management, content creation, or graphic design. These areas are in high demand as businesses increasingly seek online presence and engaging content. Analyze the market demand and competition for your selected services to ensure you're entering a viable space. Tools like Google Trends and social media platforms can provide valuable insights into what potential clients are looking for. However, it's equally important to select a niche you are passionate about. When you enjoy what you do, it not only enhances your creativity, but also makes it easier to connect with clients. By aligning your interests with market needs, you'll set yourself up for success in this exciting venture. Step 3. Creating a compelling offer is essential to attract clients and achieve your goal of making $100 in 24 hours. Start by outlining the key elements of your offer, including competitive pricing and clear deliverables. Clients appreciate transparency, so be specific about what they can expect from your services. Utilize AI tools like Canva to design eye-catching promotional graphics and ChatGPT to craft persuasive content that highlights the benefits of your offer. This will help you stand out in a crowded market. Additionally, emphasize the importance of clear communication with potential clients. Respond promptly to inquiries and ensure they understand your process and timelines. By presenting a well-structured offer and maintaining open lines of communication, you'll build trust and increase your chances of securing clients quickly, paving the way for your financial success. Step 4. Promoting your services effectively is key to reaching potential clients and making that $100 in 24 hours. Start by utilizing social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn for outreach. These platforms allow you to showcase your skills and connect with a broader audience. Leverage AI tools to automate posting and engagement, ensuring your content reaches followers consistently without overwhelming your schedule. Tools like Buffer or Hootsuite can help you schedule posts in advance, maximizing your visibility. Additionally, encourage viewers to network within relevant online communities, such as Facebook groups or LinkedIn forums, where potential clients gather. Engaging in discussions and offering valuable insights can position you as an expert in your niche. By combining social media outreach with automation and community engagement, you'll create a powerful promotional strategy that attracts clients effectively. Step 5. Delivering high-quality work to clients is crucial for building a strong reputation and ensuring repeat business. Start by setting clear deadlines and managing your time efficiently using AI scheduling tools like Trello or Asana. These tools help you stay organized and ensure you meet client expectations. Additionally, utilize AI for proofreading and enhancing content quality, ensuring your work is polished and professional. Tools like Grammarly can catch errors and suggest improvements, elevating your final product. After completing a project, seek feedback from clients to understand their experience and identify areas for improvement. This not only shows your commitment to quality, but also helps you refine your services for future projects. By focusing on delivering exceptional work and continuously improving based on client feedback, you'll establish a loyal client base and increase your chances of making that $100 in a day. Step 6. Tracking your earnings and evaluating success is essential for understanding your progress and planning future endeavors. Start by keeping a record of all transactions and earnings using spreadsheets or dedicated apps like QuickBooks or Mint. This will help you maintain clarity on your financial situation and identify trends in your income. Take the time to analyze what worked well in your strategies and what could be improved. Reflecting on your experiences will provide valuable insights for future projects. Additionally, encourage viewers to celebrate their achievements, no matter how small, as this boosts motivation and reinforces positive habits. Setting new goals based on your evaluations will keep you focused and driven. By consistently tracking your earnings and learning from your experiences, you'll be well equipped to enhance your strategies and continue your journey toward financial success. In this video, we explored the essential steps to earn $100 in just 24 hours using AI tools. We began by identifying the right tools, then moved on to selecting a profitable niche, creating a compelling offer, and promoting your services effectively. Delivering high-quality work and tracking your earnings were also crucial components of this journey. Remember, the key to success lies in taking action and applying the strategies we discussed. Don't hesitate to dive in and start implementing these techniques today.